Okay. If you want to open this front window, you need to press here. Press here, stop. Then this security lock will be switched off, and you can open it. When you open it, do not use your hand to clean the hole. You should just use this type of air blowing gun to clean the clear, the mold, and this out of place. Because this part is the most dangerous part. Do not put the finger under the mold. It's very dangerous. And also you need to clean these granules, this discharge from the extruder mouse. You need to clean it by these two chopsticks. Okay, after lock the window and release the button and reset and start. Then the alarm will be cancelled. Okay, if you want to open the back window, if you want to repair or clean something, if you need open the back window, you need to first switch off the automation model and choose the JOG model. This is the back window.
Okay.
Yeah, this is JOG. Okay. Put it on, switch on, and open the back window. Then you can use the air blowing gun to clean here or something you need to do, and we can do like this. Okay. Yeah. If you want to repair some mold or repair something or clean something, you need to open the back window. You need to choose the JOG model. Okay. You see, this is a security lock.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And the switch off this JOG button. And after JOG model, you press reset. Okay. And cancel the JOG model. Yeah, and you can choose the manual model or automation model. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.